Well, it's been kind of a crazy morning. Yesterday I spent a good part of the day trying to get the tanks all flushed real good so I could change the toilet over. And I mean, I've flushed and flushed. I took probably 6 trips down with that Rhino tank. I can't see. And I'm just gonna go for it. And the water was coming out nice and clear. I'm like, sweet. So I did the bleach and that, and next thing you know, I go to the bathroom yet last night, it's flooded the overflowing toilet. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I'm not one to record that kind of stuff. If you want to see anything about cleaning tanks and all that, you could. There's other videos. I'm not one to record that. However, turns out I think 99% sure that there's a poop pyramid in my toilet, or my black tank. If you don't know what a poop pyramid is, you probably don't have an RV. Basically what happened was the person I bought it from did not know how to use the black tank properly. There's a right way to use it. How can I say this without sounding nasty? I don't know. Basically, if you're at a campground and you leave your black and gray tanks open, you can leave your gray tanks open all you want. If you leave the black tank open, all the liquids are going to come out just fine, no problem. And then all the solid waste is going to start, landing in a pile and become a pyramid, poop pyramid. That's why you need to leave the leave the black tank closed until you're ready. Let it build up for a week, then pull the lever if you're hooked up at a campground. Let it all come out at once. Use some digested or something, some supplement to help tear that stuff down. And then close it again. I think also, if you leave it in storage and you don't have the tank empty, all the liquids eventually evaporate, and the solids, they basically turn like a rock, like a mountain. And that's where I'm at right now. So I just spent $55 on stuff because I bought twice as much as I'm supposed to get, and it's supposed to take about 72 hours, and I should be, it should be a lot better in about 72 hours. However, I'm going to get tires right now, and I'm just hoping that this is probably what I was smelling the other day when I was on the highway. I don't smell it yet, but I feel like stuff's going to come out of that toilet and go all over the place, and it just makes me sick to even think about. It's one thing if it's your own poop, but when it's somebody else's, it's like, I don't know. It's nasty no matter what, but it's even more nasty when it's not yours. Maybe I'll hit some speed bumps or something and knock that pile loose. Also, like I was saying in my other video, the last video, the video before, I think it was the last one, that my black tank valve is on a cable and I don't think it's working. So he could have easily been at the campground thinking his black tank was closed, but it wasn't because that cable was bad. And so he may not have known. Doesn't matter. I need propane. I need tires. I thought the battery was dead this morning. I'm probably just on time, if not late. The battery wasn't dead. The positive terminal's loose. I didn't have time to fix it, so I will do that. Maybe while I'm waiting for tires to get done or something. Hopefully it just needs tightened. Not the wrong battery terminal or something. The wrong battery. So, alright, I'm headed there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. You know what, often you see this out here, it must be a wreck or something, because this traffic's usually just moving right along. I mean, there's nothing out here. This is just like almost to Butler, Pennsylvania. It's a rural area. I see red lights flashing. It looks like a fire truck. It looks like it's in the opposite. It might be in the left lane up here. Okay, so there's a fire truck on both sides of the highway. That's what threw me off. Everybody done rubbernecking? We can go. See some fresh animal guts there. Yeah. He must have rolled it, because this whole roof's crushed and the windows are shattered. Oh, caught on fire too. It's our exit. Freeport, Millerstown.
Second left on the Saxonburg Road.
Second left? Oh, that's just silly. There's only one left. I guess it goes over here. I'll park right here for now. You can probably see just how bad these tires really are. I don't know how I missed that. I mean, that was dangerous just to bring here. She's a beast. I left it running for them. I probably should have put the steps up so they get in easier. There's a cell tower right there. Yeah, I have no reception. I have like one bar. I wonder how close you have to be to these things. There's a bar and a half of the road. Well, that was really quick. Wow, it took them less than half an hour to get both tires done. I can feel the difference in the ride already. They said they wouldn't have drove 5 miles on those tires. I was like, I drove from Western Ohio all the way here. So anybody that's looking for tires, I highly recommend W.L. Roenig, Roenig, I believe. And whoever it was, I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'll see when I go through the video, the comments. Whoever it was that referred me to go here, in the comments, thank you so much. I mean, it was 500 some bucks out the door for 2 tires. That's a huge savings. They wanted over 500 a tire everywhere else I called. I got both tires for the same price as they wanted for just one. And of course I gave him a nice tip to go have, you know, some coffee or something. So I will definitely be coming back here for tires. Now we're off to propane. Well, this actually drives straight. Like, I'm not swaying all over the place anymore. And doing 75 without even knowing it. I couldn't hit 70 on the way here. I guess tires make a big difference on other things too. So here's my exit. Well, it's totally out of propane. I got 25 gallons. That's what the tank is. 104.33. $3.90 a gallon plus tax. I think $1 more than I paid a couple weeks ago. $1 more per gallon. That's 25 bucks. Holy heck, that's, I don't know if propane went up or if it's just here. So that tells me that none of my gauges in the bathroom actually work, because it said I have full propane when it was empty, it said I have full water when it was empty, and it said both of my tanks were empty when they were full. The battery says full, but I know that's the case because it was plugged in.